everyone, welcome back to Guzhen Lighting Fair channel. I am Kathy. Let's continue our factory tour. Here we are at Qili Photoelectric, which is a professional manufacturer of LED light sources such as T5 and TA tubes. It is based in Guzhen and founded in 2014. I can't wait to start the journey. I'm going to go inside now. Okay, so the first thing I am really impressed is the wall of fame. As we can see, they have obtained so many certifications, such as the IEC or IECE certification. And what's more, and I think they have passed the CE certification and the SAA. What's more, they also have a lot of patents for design. After seeing so many certifications, I think I have a lot of confidence to cooperate with them. Now we are at the assembling workshop and the SMD workshop. They have 10 standardized automatic production lines, which enhance the production efficiency greatly. 3 million tubes can be made each month, or the workers have to be trained strictly before taking over the jobs. Just now we had a good tour to the factory. Now let's back to the showroom and find out what has been turned out. As we can see on the table, these are the tubes that made from the factory. Most of them are T5 and TA tubes. They are vary from size, materials, and the plug. Okay, now let's take a closer look. The size of this item is 0.5 meters, and this one is 1.2 meters. This is 1.5 meters, and the last one is 2.5 meters. And these are the glass-made tubes, while these are the PC and aluminum-made. Now let's keep on looking about the plug. Plugs like this, they have to be installed on the grill to be turned on. Okay, now let's go to the wall and see how do they look like when it has been turned on. The first group are like this, and the second one, and the third group are like this. They are bright and shiny. So, as long as we are indoors, we may like bright lights. They can be applied for supermarket, home, office, factory, and so on. As long as the places that need bright lights, I think tubes will be perfect for you. If you are looking for some residential lighting, don't miss Qili. They are a professional manufacturer in producing this kind of product. Stay tuned. That's so much for the tour today. If you want to find out more about Qili or other information, leave a message below or follow the hosted buyer program Go Online, which will be held from March 18 to April 18. See you.